Good morning, everybody. My name is Khao. This morning presentation will present my hypothesis about Faculty of Education students who work university activity organization as an extra work will have poorer health than other faculty students who work the same work. The reason why I chose this hypothesis because now I am working in university activity organization and there's a lot of things to do, and of course the most of students who work in this organization is education students, and also there also have other faculty students. Anyway, to prove my hypothesis, I decided to make a survey. Collecting data from 20 students, consisting of 10 data from education students and 10 data from other faculty students. And what's about my independent variable? My independent variable is sleep because I want to say the correlation between sleep and health. And of course, let's look at my questions in my survey. I decided to divide my questions into two main parts. The first part is dependent questions, and the second part is independent questions. Alright, let's look at the results. Here's the data presenting the scatter charts. Let's look at the first graph. As you can see in this graph, you will see that there is no strong correlation here because this graph there is positive and weak correlation between the data. And what's about the side? You can see these blue ones and these blue triangle ones and these red circle ones. What is it? The blue triangle ones are presenting the overall data of male students who do university activity organizations as an extra work, and here the circle red ones are presenting overall data of female students who do the same work. And what's about the R value? The R value of this graph is 0.65. However, there are a little bit differences between Faculty of Education students' data and other faculty students' data. Alright, let's move on to look at the second data. Alright, as you can see in my graphs, you will see that my hypothesis was wrong because education students are healthier than other faculty students, even though they work hard and in particular area together. Okay, let's move on to look at the first graph, education students. These triangle blue ones are representing the male students, and orange, Miss Orange circle here are presenting female students. Alright, let's look at this guy. The highest of sleep scores and health scores men. What does it mean? This shows us that this man is really good at work-life balance because he good at sleeping, and he also have good health following. And what's about this woman here who bad at sleeping and have a lowest health scores? This woman is outlier. She's got mental health problems. 4 out from 10 according to my dependent questions. And what's about this woman who has a second last health sleep but still got a good health? Because this woman have a good health in terms of physical health and mental health, and she has no underlying illness. And yeah. Alright, let's move on to look at other faculty students. Oh, look at this. 2 of them. You will see that both of them prove that sometimes genders don't affect the health and sleep correlation here. And what's about this woman who are outlier here? The yellow woman here who got bad scores at sleeping and very bad health here. This is a woman from agriculture faculty. She's got mental health problem, which is depression. Yeah. And these are my comparison between other faculty students and education students, proving my hypothesis. To sum up the ideas, I would like to tell you guys that I was wrong. My hypothesis was wrong. But that's fine. The most importantly, I would like to tell you guys that even though doing activities is very fun, when they were studying is very fun, learning things is very fun, don't forget to concern about your sleeping, because this really affects to your health. Okay, that's very good to hear that. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.